friends, welcome to another Tasty Tuesday video. In this one we are making something super simple and quick, easy, and I'm doing something that might remind you of something I used to do before, and I'm gonna get back to doing it occasionally too. It's called cheap eats. So I'm finding stuff that's super inexpensive for people that are super budget friendly, super I keep saying that word a lot, but people that maybe not have a whole lot of money, or they want to just save money on their food, and just something simple and quick, easy, very affordable. I am making something that will hopefully be tasty to you guys if you want to try it out. And then Rachel's doing something as well, so head over to her channel after you watch this, Live Laugh Love Mommy, and I will put a link in my description box below to get right to her video and also right to her channel. So definitely head on over there after this, watch what she's making. Definitely subscribe if you have not yet, and also do that for me too. I need some more friends, so subscribe to me also. All right guys, let's get to cooking. Alright, so what you're going to need is some Italian style meatballs. You're going to need 2 packets of the Knorr Asian size teriyaki noodles. These are about $1 or less each, so definitely affordable. And then I'm going to use some Mr. Yoshida's original gourmet teriyaki sauce with the meatballs. You can use any teriyaki sauce you like, but this is my favorite. I get it from Costco, and you can get it from Walmart. You can get it really anywhere. It's delicious. Alright, so you're going to cook the Knorr pasta like you normally would, and then forgive me, my microwave is nasty looking, but I'm going to be cooking the meatballs in the microwave, and I don't have a whole lot left, as you can clearly see here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put them in a mixing bowl and chop them up in half and thirds, however much I can really. And then here it is after I've chopped it up, and now I'm going to add some of the Mr. Yoshida teriyaki sauce to it and mix it all up. Alright, now that the Knorr noodles are fully cooked, we're going to add the chopped up meatballs to it. And here it is in the pot. It looks so good. It tastes so good. Oh my gosh, you guys have got to try it. Here it is in a bowl, and I'm going to devour this very quick. It is absolutely delicious, you guys. Alright you guys, I hope that was fun, and I hope you enjoyed the video. Definitely check it out, try it out, I mean. Yeah, try it out, see if you like it, and then also head over to Rachel's channel, Live Laugh Love Mommy, right after you're done viewing this and liking this and subscribing if you haven't yet. Alright you guys, I will see you guys again in my next video. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys later. Bye!